Welcome to Great Garden. Have you ever looked at your orchid and wondered, why is the plant healthy but still not blooming? In today's video, I'll show you how to make an extremely simple organic fertilizer using everyday kitchen ingredients. After just a short time of applying this method, you'll start to see clear improvements: strong, thick, healthy roots, smooth, shiny green leaves, long flower spikes with evenly formed buds, preparing your plant for a vibrant and long-lasting blooming season. Let's get started. Today, we will use 2 fresh tangerines. First, mix 1 spoon of baking soda with water to wash the outer peel of the tangerines, helping to remove dirt, pesticides, and other impurities on the surface. Washing with baking soda is very important because the tangerine peel will be used to make a fertilizer solution, so it needs to be clean and safe before processing. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. After washing, dry the outer peel of the tangerines with a paper towel. Next, peel the tangerines, separating the peel from the fruit like this. We will now cut the tangerine peel into small pieces. Tangerine peel is rich in essential oils, vitamins, and natural minerals. It not only has antibacterial properties and prevents fungal infections, but also provides essential nutrients, stimulates healthy root growth, promotes glossy, vibrant leaves, and enhances the overall vitality of the plant. Next, put all the chopped tangerine peel into a clean glass jar. Then add 500 milliliters of boiling water to help extract the essential oils from the tangerine peel. Finally, cover the jar and let the solution steep for 1 hour. As soon as the water touches the tangerine peel, the essential oils are released. Limonene provides mild antibacterial and antifungal effects for the roots, while vitamin C stimulates cellular metabolism. At the same time, I use turmeric powder to make the next fertilizer. Turmeric powder contains a high amount of curcumin, a powerful antioxidant, along with vitamins, minerals, and natural antibacterial compounds. I add 1 spoon of turmeric powder into a clean glass cup. Then add 500 milliliters of warm water to mix the solution. Next, stir well. Cover and let the solution sit for 1 hour. After 1 hour, I strain out all the turmeric residues, keeping only the clear liquid to prevent any sediment from sticking to the leaves or clogging the spray nozzle. Similarly, I will strain the tangerine peel solution. Here, I will filter both solutions together. Finally, add 1 liter of clean water to dilute the mixture. The resulting solution has a light yellow color, a gentle, pleasant scent, and is completely safe for orchids. And that's it. The solution is ready to use as an organic fertilizer. Method 1. Next, pour the prepared solution into a small cup. I prepare a cotton pad or a soft cloth. Gently soak it in the solution and wipe all the leaves. Wipe from the base to the tip, from the upper surface to the underside, giving each leaf slow and careful attention. When wiping the leaves with the tangerine peel and turmeric solution, the polyphenols from the peel help remove fungi and surface buildup. The essential oils gently make the leaves naturally glossy. And the vitamin C penetrates the leaf tissue, helping the leaves turn greener and boosting their resistance. Curcumin and turmeric soothes the leaf tissue, reducing dark spots and preventing leaf edges from cracking. Regular leaf wiping helps the plant wake up, making the leaves firmer and noticeably fresher, especially effective for plants with thin leaves, dull-colored leaves, or those that have just gone through a long rainy season. Besides orchids, you can also wipe the leaves of snake plants using the tangerine peel and turmeric extract solution. Just like with orchids, use a soft cloth or cotton pad, lightly soak it in the solution, and wipe each leaf surface, including the upper side, underside, and the leaf joints. This process allows nutrients such as essential oils and vitamin C from tangerine peel, along with curcumin from turmeric powder, to penetrate deeply into the leaves, nourishing leaf cells, boosting resistance, and stimulating healthy new leaf growth. Wipe gently to avoid bruising the leaves and to ensure the nutrients spread evenly across the entire leaf surface. Apply this method 1 to 2 times a week, then reduce to once a month to maintain long-term results, helping the plant stay glossy, healthy, and vibrant without additional watering or wetting the growing medium. Method 2. First, I pour the tangerine peel and turmeric extract solution into a watering can, then gently water around the base of the orchid. Tangerine peel is rich in essential oils, vitamin C, and natural minerals, which help clean the roots, provide antibacterial effects, and reduce fungal infections. Meanwhile, curcumin from turmeric protects the roots, supports the recovery of damaged root tissue, and stimulates the growth of new roots, allowing them to absorb nutrients more effectively. You should water regularly once a week during the recovery period, then reduce to 1 to 2 times per month to maintain stable nutrition. During watering, apply the solution evenly and gently, avoiding strong streams or letting water pool at the base. This technique not only helps nutrients penetrate evenly, but also keeps the substrate well aerated, preventing fungal infections and poor root development, creating ideal conditions for the orchid to recover quickly, grow sustainably, and prepare for vibrant flowering. Method 3. In the final step, Pour the tangerine peel and turmeric solution into a spray bottle and evenly mist the entire plant, including the leaves, stems, roots, and leaf axils. Misting is a very important step because the plant can quickly absorb nutrients through the stomata on the leaf surface. When done correctly, each component of the solution works effectively. Polyphenols and essential oils from tangerine peel help clean the leaf surface, reduce fungal infections, prevent white mold, and keep the leaves shiny. Vitamin C increases photosynthesis efficiency, making the leaves soft, thick, and healthy while enhancing metabolic activity. Curcumin from turmeric powder supports the recovery of damaged leaf areas and soothes weak or slightly sunburned leaf tissue. Fine mist moisture helps buds develop evenly, reduces bud drying or early drop, and maintains natural humidity around the plant. I usually perform this step in the morning when the plant begins its daily photosynthesis cycle. This is the ideal time to provide gentle moisture and activate the fastest nutrient absorption. After spraying, let the plant rest for about 15 minutes to fully absorb the nutrients. If water remains on the leaves, gently wipe with a soft cloth to prevent creating a favorable environment for fungi and bacteria. Dry leaves help the plant photosynthesize more efficiently, allow the roots to function actively, maintain abundant vitality, and prepare new shoots and flower buds to grow strong, ready for vibrant flowering. You can also mist ZZ plants, Zamioculcas. Similar to orchids, use the tangerine peel and turmeric solution and lightly spray evenly over the leaves, stems, and leaf axils. Misting allows nutrients to be absorbed directly through the leaves, providing vitamins, minerals, and natural antibacterial and antifungal compounds, helping ZZ plant leaves stay glossy, healthy, and strong while enhancing photosynthesis and overall plant resistance. Perform this 1 to 2 times a week to maintain healthy leaves and support balanced, sustainable growth. For Zamioculcas plants, you don't need to wipe the leaves after misting. Because the leaves are thick, sturdy, and absorb nutrients well, the tangerine peel and turmeric solution penetrates directly through the leaf surface, providing vitamins and minerals to the plant without the need for wiping. Results. After a period of consistent care, you will notice remarkable changes in your orchids. New roots grow long, with green, shiny tips that anchor firmly into the substrate. The leaves become thicker and darker green, with a smooth, glossy surface. For plants entering the flowering season, buds become round, firm, and rarely drop. When the flowers bloom, the petals are thick, richly colored, and longer lasting. For other plants in the garden, such as Zamioculcas, ZDZ plants, new leaves grow firm and glossy, and the roots absorb nutrients efficiently. This helps the plant develop evenly and healthily, while increasing its resistance to pests and fungal infections. For thick-leaved plants like snake plants, the leaves naturally become glossy and healthy, thanks to the nutrients penetrating from the tangerine peel and turmeric solution. This is the reward for your patience in caring for orchids. Enjoy this magical moment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to receive more orchid care tips. Goodbye, and see you in the next video on the Great Garden channel.